Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your Asian Phenom back with another useful video. Alright, so today I'm going to show you guys how to wash and dry shoes without any banging noise. Alright, so here I have 4 pairs of shoes. Got a pair of Penguin, Reebok, Adidas, another pair of Adidas. Alright, so here's an upright washer, doesn't matter what kind. So obviously you put some clothes in there already. So start out by washing it. What you want to do is, of course, rinse off the shoe, to remove any dirt particles. Alright, place the shoe in there. And then use plenty of towels. Jeans will work too. So I got 2 big bath towels. Just put it around the periphery like that. Pair of jeans. And a pair of jeans. Let me just put it all in here. Simple like that. Make sure it's not too full. So let me add the detergent. So I added the detergent. Let's turn it on. So while it's filling water, I'll just wait until it's actually spinning. So you don't really hear any sound, but I'll wait until the water stops. You might hear it minor, but nothing loud banging that'll wake you up. You hear that? It's very minor. Alright, so I'm going from my living room, walking upstairs to my bedroom area with washer and dryers. See, it's pretty quiet, and I have the door open. That definitely shouldn't wake you up. So there you have it. Now we'll just wait until for the dryer part. So my shoes are done washing. Let me just demonstrate real quick how loud the shoes are even with towels in the dryer. So here are my 4 pairs of shoes with 2 big old towels in there. I'm going to close it, and I'm definitely sure you guys are going to hear a lot of banging. See how loud that is? You can't sleep with all that noise. Let's turn that off. Alright, so now let me tell you this real cool trick. So let's say, for example, I'm working on this shell toe of Adidas. So what you want to do is take the shoestrings and tie a knot, leaving enough space in the middle. So let me show you. So note all my shoes are tied in a knot like this. What you want to do is leave enough space on this end. So here's what I'm going to do. So what you want to do is, with the knot on the outside, close the dryer door like that, leaving a knot. Yep, just like that. So I'm just doing one just for instance. For example, see? No noise. And that's how you dry it. Well, this part might be kind of wet, but who cares? You're not gonna wear in this. Alright, so let me try to put all 4 in there and see how that goes. Man, that was hard putting all 4 of them in there. Alright, we'll see how this turns out. So that's 4 pairs of shoes. See? Hardly any noise. Simple, easy. Perfect for when you have to wear a shoe the next day and you can't wait for the sun or blow dry or the heat. Hey, so there you have it. Another useful video from yours truly. How to dry shoes without banging noise. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching.